Hi everyone, today I'm making something that looks simple but can turn into so many delicious dishes, handmade shrimp paste. This dish is really popular in China. You can use it for a cozy tomato soup, make crispy shrimp patties, or drop it straight into a hot pot. Today the shrimp is on sale. The black tiger shrimp of this size is $13 per pound. So I bought 2 pounds to prepare plenty of shrimp paste. First, peel the shrimp. Flatten the shrimp. The secret of tasty shrimp is all in the process. Remove the white vein underneath the belly. Chop them with a back of knife. This keeps the texture firm and springy. Sure, a blender saves time, but the texture just isn't the same. The paste shouldn't be too fine, and it shouldn't be too coarse. So you can enjoy that nice texture with small chunks of shrimp inside. Mince some ginger and green onion, add some water, and let the flavors infuse into the water. Then strain out the ginger and green onion. We just want the flavored water. Add half of the ginger water to the shrimp paste and let it absorb thoroughly. Then add the rest. Once the water is fully absorbed, season with a little salt and pepper and mix well. Add an egg and mix again. Finally, add some starch. Dissolve it in a bit of ginger water and mix until smooth. See, the paste is starting to get sticky. I know it looks funny, but you really have to slap the shrimp paste a few times. That's how you get the bouncy, chewy texture everyone loves. This process may take a while, and your arm might get a little sore, but trust me, it's worth it. Now it's ready. I'm going to freeze 2/3 of it. Next time, after defrosting, just shape it into patties and pan fry until both sides are golden brown. No seasoning needed. Every bite is packed with juicy shrimp and pure satisfying. Or toss them into a hot pot. They were so good you just can't stop. Now let's make the tomato soup. Heat a bit of oil, then add chopped ginger and fresh tomatoes. Cook until tomatoes are soft and juicy. Add some ketchup. Yes, you didn't hear me wrong, it's ketchup. Trust me, in this Chinese-style tomato soup, a little ketchup makes it sweeter, richer, and just way more delicious. Then season with some salt, sugar, and pepper. Pour in some water and let it simmer until it smells amazing. You can shape the balls with a spoon or do it like this. Drop the shrimp balls into the tomato soup. They will float to the top when they were cooked. That's how you know they were ready. Look at this beautiful bright color. Finally, add a bit of chicken powder and sprinkle some green onions on top. And that's it. Pair it with a bowl of rice, so satisfying. If you have some glass noodles, boil a portion. It will take the flavor to another level. Give it a try. It's a perfect comfort dish for any day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.